Hi everybody, welcome back to Math with Ricky, and today we're going to do a quick lesson on what we talk about when we talk about the number of solutions that a system of equations, any system of equations, can have. So note the question that we have here, asking how many solutions does this following system of equations have? 2y equals 5x plus 4, y equals 3x plus 2. Options include 0, 1 solution, 2 solutions, or infinitely many solutions. Let's start with that last one and what that actually looks like on the graph. First of all, what are we asking when we say what is the solution to a system of equations? Well, on a graph, what it looks like is if we have one line here represented by one equation and another line here represented by another equation, the solution is their intersection. So what I've just drawn here would have one solution. When do two lines have infinite solutions? When they are the exact same line. Because if a solution is the point of intersection and they're the same line, there are infinite points of intersection, infinite solutions. Finally, what does it mean for them to have 0 solutions? Well, on a case-by-case basis, it depends on what kind of line you're dealing with. In the case of two linear equations, that is with constant slope, you're going to have 0 solutions when they do not intersect, and that occurs when both lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Because then they'll just never intersect. They'll just keep moving in parallel in both directions towards infinity. So here we have 0 solutions. 1 solution, infinity solutions, 0 solutions. Okay, and this applies not just to linear equations, but also quadratic equations, parabolic equations. For instance, let's say our system describes what is the solution between a parabola and a straight line. Well, the one I've just drawn right now has 0 solutions. If the line is right there, it has 2 solutions. And if the line is right there, it has 1 solution. So let's quickly tackle the system of equations described in this problem. We can use either substitution or elimination. I'm going to multiply the second equation all by 2. Why am I going to do that? So now I have 2y equals 6x plus 4. And because the first equation is also 2y equals, now we can set 5x plus 4 equal to 6x plus 4, because they're both equal to the same thing. So we're going to set that up. 5x plus 4 equals 6x plus 4. We subtract 4 from both sides. We're going to subtract 5x, giving us 0 equals x. We're going to plug that back in to one of the original equations. Let's plug it back into this one. Y equals 3x plus 2. Y equals 0 plus 2. So y equals 2. So we're given x equals 0, y equals 2. 0, 2. Let's also check that in the first equation. At the very top there. 4. Okay, so that system of equations has 1 solution. I hope you enjoyed this quick talk. As always, go to mathwithricky.com for more information, including info on one-on-one tutoring sessions. Thank you very much.